Hi, welcome to the channel. It's been a little while since I made a video. I had a lot of plans for what I thought were interesting projects, etc. And unfortunately all of those went out the window when we hit the pandemic. So like a lot of people, I am currently printing face shields.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Initially I started off doing this on my own bat with my own printers and own material, and quickly the company that I work for stepped up and decided that they wanted to do something about that. We've got a few printers at work, press them into service, get some material and see what we can do. We're also looking at kind of what is the next step, step on from producing these 3D printed parts to actually be able to get to scale. And then beyond that, the question is, if we replace 3D printing of these particular parts with more appropriate technologies for getting up to speed, what do we print next? You know, what is the next sprint that we can do with 3D printing to help out our, the heroes that are working on the front line of this horrible pandemic? So this particular headband is a variation on the Prusa Research RC3 design. The bottom piece unchanged completely. The top piece I've made it 5.5mm shorter. Also took all the lettering off the side because I just felt that was slowing the print down unnecessarily. I'm still fully acknowledging that this is Prusa's design, even though it's not got their name on the side of it. I've just slightly modified it. And then it's the visor. This was cut out on a very expensive machine at the company I work for. Finished off with the old buttonhole elastic, which is absolutely ideal for making this. So really kind of happy with the outcome. The prototypes of these have now gone to our local health service to see whether they approve us to actually continue producing them. We've got a number of people at work that are either using works printers or their own printers to actually produce these at the moment. This one in particular, I'm running this on a Prusa Mark III's with a slicer profile that was created by Tom Filament, and due to his magic, this is actually running and taking about 1 hour 25 minutes to complete. So as I said, I just wanted to make a quick video on the face shields. One thing that I will say, so a lot of people are printing these or variations of these different ones. I'm churning out thousands and it's fantastic and it really is good. I have seen a bit of a backlash against people that aren't printing them, and it kind of really makes me sad that I think for whatever reason people choose not to or feel that they can't print these, they shouldn't feel as if they second-class citizens because of that. So please, don't hate on the people that aren't printing them. If they are sat there with their printers at their home, printing things that are amusing, that are fun, that are or designing things equally that people will pick up and be amused by and spend time on, if they're staying at home, they're helping. So please don't just expect everybody. It should be using up the whole stock of PETg that they've got and printing these things. It doesn't have to be that way. There's lots of people doing it. Hopefully this particular piece of PPE, the more appropriate technologies will spool up fairly quickly and kind of make this totally irrelevant from a 3D printing point of view. As usual, if you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that would make me extremely happy. I'll wrap things up and say I'll see you next time.